If you've ever met a Staffy cross dog, you'll know they have a way of winning people over very quickly with their big smiles, solid builds, and affectionate personalities. And in this video we're going to cover everything you need to know about Staffy cross dogs from their history and puppy stage through to adulthood, including weight, chewing, exercise, desexing advice, and whether this breed type is right for your lifestyle. Staffy crosses typically have Staffordshire Bull Terrier heritage mixed with breeds like Labradors, Kelpies, Boxers, or other working dogs, and while Staffies historically came from strong, resilient stock, modern Staffy crosses are widely recognized by vets and trainers as highly people-oriented, loyal, and affectionate dogs that thrive on human connection and routine. One thing many new owners are surprised by is just how solid Staffy cross puppies are, even when they're small, because they tend to be dense and muscular early on, often feeling heavier than they look, with many puppies weighing anywhere from 6 to 10 kilograms by 3 months, reaching 15 to 20 plus kilograms by 6 months, and commonly ending up between 20 and 30 kilograms or more as adults depending on the mix. Because they grow quickly and are naturally strong, early training and boundaries are important, especially during the teething stage, which usually runs from around 3 to 7 months and is when Staffy crosses are absolutely famous for chewing anything they can get their teeth on, and I mean anything. Furniture, shoes, remote controls, table legs, door frames, and as you can probably see here, our dog has very proudly destroyed everything he could get his teeth on, including his own bed, which he apparently decided was a personal enemy and had to be eliminated. Jokes aside, teething isn't bad behavior, it's a normal developmental phase, so it's important to puppy-proof your home by putting valuable items up high where they can't reach, providing plenty of appropriate chew toys, rotating them to keep things interesting, and supervising or safely containing your puppy when you're not around to save your sanity and your furniture. As Staffy crosses move through their growth journey, many owners notice a chunky puppy phase followed by an awkward teenage stage where energy levels increase, listening skills temporarily decline, and strength develops faster than impulse control, which can be challenging between 6 and 18 months, but with consistency, structure, daily exercise, and mental stimulation, most Staffy crosses mature into calm, affectionate, and well-balanced adult dogs. When it comes to desexing, reputable vets today often recommend waiting until medium to large dogs like Staffy crosses are closer to physical maturity, typically around 12 to 18 months for females and 12 to 24 months for males depending on individual health and development, because allowing growth plates to close fully can support better joint health and long-term mobility, though this should always be discussed with your own vet based on your dog's size, behavior, and medical history. Exercise is another non-negotiable with Staffy crosses, as these are active, strong dogs that benefit from daily long walks rather than just backyard play, and this isn't only good for them but also for you, with large population studies showing that dog owners are significantly more likely to meet daily physical activity guidelines and are estimated to be around 20 to 30% more likely to achieve recommended exercise levels compared to non-dog owners, contributing to better cardiovascular health, lower stress, and improved mental well-being. Staffy crosses are also known for being incredibly affectionate Velcro dogs that love staying close to their people, often thinking they're lap dogs regardless of size, and with proper training they can excel in obedience, agility, and even therapy work thanks to their strong bond with humans. We can vouch for this, as he never wants to leave our side. However, it's important to be honest about your lifestyle, and if this is your first time owning a dog, fostering can be a really smart step before committing to adoption, because fostering allows you to see whether a dog genuinely suits your daily routine, energy levels, home environment, and long-term capacity before making a permanent decision, while also helping a dog in need. And if you are ready to bring a dog into your life, always consider adopting from a shelter, as there are countless Staffy crosses and other beautiful dogs waiting for loving homes, many of whom are gentle, loyal, and deeply grateful companions, and with the right care, exercise, training, patience, and a sense of humor during the chewing phase, a Staffy cross can be one of the most loving and rewarding dogs you'll ever share your life with.